Welcome to the screencast on the negative or non in Italian. So what does negative mean when we're talking about a language? Well, it means to say don't or not. And in Italian, we say non to do this. The trickiest part of using the negative is knowing where to place the word non in a sentence. The rule in Italian is that it needs to go immediately before the conjugated verb. Let's look at some examples. So if we have parlo tedesco, I speak German, and we want to change that to say I don't speak German, what do we need to do? Well, we simply need to put non before the conjugated verb, before parlo, I speak. So non parlo tedesco. Let's look at another example. If we have abito a Roma, I live in Rome, but we want to say I don't live in Rome. Where do we put the non? It has to go before the conjugated verb, which is abito, so non abito a Roma. Now this could give the impression that it's always going to be the first word in the sentence, but that is simply not the case. If we look at the sentence Marco abita a Venezia, Marco lives in Venice. If we want to say that Marco doesn't live in Venice, where do we put the non? We need to put it again immediately before the conjugated verb, which looks like this. Marco non abita a Venezia. Let's look at another example. Il mio compleanno è il 2 agosto. My birthday is the 2nd of August. If we want to say that my birthday is not on the 2nd of August, where do we put the non? Immediately before the conjugated verb. The conjugated verb in this case is è. So it ends up looking like this. Il mio compleanno non è il 2 agosto. So often in exams, you'll be asked to show that you understand how to use the negative to respond in a negative manner to a question. Remember the rule that non is placed immediately before the conjugated verb. But there are a couple of other things that you will likely need to adjust. So if you have the question, abiti a Sydney, you can see that the verb has been highlighted. Do you live in Sydney? If we want to say, no, I don't live in Sydney, you can't just put non before the conjugated verb. You also need to change the verb. So, no, non abito a Sydney. No, I don't live in Sydney. Notice that the verb has been changed. Let's look at another example. If you've got abitate a Sydney, do you live in Sydney? This time the you is the voi form, the you plural. So you're talking to more than one person. In order to respond to this question, what you would want to say in English is no, we don't live in Sydney. So to do that, no, non abitiamo a Sydney. So you can see that you have to adjust the verb to respond to the question asked. One more example. Okay, so il tuo compleanno è domani? Is your birthday tomorrow? So if we want to change this, it's not the verb that's going to change this time, but the possessive adjective, the word for your. Because if we're going to answer this question, is your birthday tomorrow? In the negative sense, we're going to say no, my birthday is not tomorrow. And in Italian, this would translate to il mio compleanno non è domani. So the non still becomes before the conjugated verb, but there are alterations that you need to make, and that's something you need to be mindful of when answering this type of question. I hope you found this helpful. Ciao for now.